it out, guys. A cordless restorer. How cool is that? I gotta find a sanding drum for this. And we're gonna strip the paint off the front of this van and get rid of all those rock chips. Let's do it. All right, just like that, all that paint's gone off that. That was just like 2 minutes, and we stripped every last bit of paint off of that. Nice clean finish, ready for some primer. Restorer tool is amazing. www.restorertools.com. Go check it out. Awesome tool.